Hi everyone! Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. How's everyone doing? Well, happy Tuesday guys. It's Tuesday and I'm here at home. I just decided to get a quick go live guys. So, kain po tayo kasi I just finished cooking this. Yan po ang aking niluto. If you can see it. Ayun. So, I will just turn off the extractor fan because it's quite noisy. Baka hindi nyo po marinig ang aking sinasabi. So, ito po is tinatawag na pansit luglog or pansit malabon. Sa amin po, sa Bataan, is pansit luglog po ang tawag dito. So, since I was craving to eat pansit today, so I decided to cook something. Sometimes, I cook pansit gisado. I like pansit gisado as well. All the noodles. Sino po ang may gusto ng mga pansit? Kain po tayo. Kuha lang ako ng it's a late brunch. How's your day guys? Well, today I woke up early, but I was still in bed and I'm doing some things about the business. Yun po ang kagandahan ng business kahit wherever you are, kahit nasa bed pa kayo, since it's only online, so you can do it while still in bed. Minsan po naman, I'm in the living room, minsan sa kitchen, tulad dito ngayon. So, everywhere, every part of our home, I can do my business. And kahit po nasa labas ako, I can still do it. Dahil nga sa kagandahan po is online. I'm just using my phone and my internet connection. So, ayun po. Yun po ang kagandahan dyan sa ating business. Ganun po. Ngayon po ay kakain ako. If you want to join me, let's eat, guys. Masarap. Masarap siya, masarap. Kahit wala ng lemon or kalamansi, malasa. Kain po tayo. So, kanina, I was in bed, mabalik po tayo. So, I'm just really grateful. Kasi paggising ko po, oh my goodness, there is an inquiry about my business. Meaning, kahit po natutulog ako, meron na palang nag-i-inquire about my business. Yun po ang kaganda sa business na to. Siyempre, napakasaya-saya po. Kasi, ibig sabihin po, meron na naman po akong pamilya na matutulungan mabago ang buhay. Sa mga, to those who are watching me right now, thank you very much for watching me. Kindly comment below where you are tuning in from. So, yun nga po. I was still in bed earlier. When I woke up, I had this inquiry. And she is from, hi, Ninang. Kain po tayo ng pansit luglog. Late lunch. Yun. Kumusta po kayo dyan? Yun, ang kagandahan nga po, so, yung taong nag-i-inquire about the business is from Galway. She is from Galway and she is a carer. So, I'm just grateful po that she found my ads in Facebook. because I started running my advertisement in Facebook here in Ireland. So I'm just grateful na may nakapansin po nung aking ad. Napakasaya-saya ko po kasi sa totoo lang po, I'm just really passionate in helping people na ma-change ang kanilang buhay kung gusto nilang merong pagbabagong gagawin sa kanilang buhay. Then this is the instrument, the online business. So, yun. Tapos, pagbangon ko, syempre, nagkonting yung breakfast, pero not heavy breakfast. Kasi I'm not doing manual work. I'm just at home. So after that, medyo habang ginagawa mga business, about the business, I did some exercise at home because I decided not to go out today. So I started exercising at home in our living room. Meron po kaming trainer, elliptical trainer, but medyo nakakabore po minsan gawin yun. So I decided, because I really want to dance, so I decided to turn on the TV and watch some dance steps in YouTube. So I was dancing for maybe nearly an hour. So I was sweating earlier. Yun po ang kailangan kasi malamig ang panahon, kinakailangan pinagpapawisan tayo dito para maganda yung circulation ng blood. So, habang ako po ay nagda-dance, palagi po kasing may yung YouTube merong yung ads. Kaya palaging nag-i-skip ako ng ad. Minsan hindi naman, kaya paputol-putol. Pero still, nagawa ko pong mag-exercise even I'm at home. Napakasarap po kasi ng exercising with music. Gusto ko po yung mga ganang bagay. Yung nalilibang kayong na-exercise na kayo tapos dahil may music. Ayan. So, yun nga po. So, after that, since ngayon na, medyo na po dito, 7 minutes past 3. So, I decided to cook something. Itong pansit luglog. Dahil kasi parang namimiss ko siya eh. Kaya, nagluto ako. May nabibila naman po dito mga tulad ng mga noodles, saka yung mga yung mga kailangan para sa pansit. Yun, kaya nakaluto naman po ako. Ngayon, after eating my late lunch, so I'm going to do my business again because I need to do some important things about my business. Ganon. At saka syempre, may mga training din po. So, ang kagandahan po is, yung training namin is always in a video form. That's why, sa available time nyon, pwede nyong gawin. Kaya pag nagwo-work, kapag dating sa bahay, magpahinga, tapos minsan, syempre, kinakailangan gawin ng business kasi legitimate business and very serious na business ito. So, kinakailangan bigyan ng time. Kahit naman sa anong business, kinakailangan bigyan talaga ng time para magkaroon ng result. So, ganito po dito, but then this is flexible business. Kaya yun po ang maganda. Yun po. So, ngayon, tatapusin ko na po yung pagkain ko and I'm hoping na you are doing good. I mean, you are having a great day. And for those who are going to watch the replay, kindly comment below where you are tuning in from. And sa mga interested po na magkaroon ng second income stream while you are working, kahit sino po sa inyo na interesado, You can check this out by signing up on my website, www.roselampilocchio.com, and yun po, you will receive an email to watch our free webinar. Makikita nyo po sa inbox or either sa junk or spam folder pag wala po sa inbox. Yun lang po, and thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead, and good evening sa mga nasa Pilipinas or sa Asia, and good afternoon dito sa Europe, and good morning sa mga nasa USA or Canada. So, yun lang po, and thank you for watching again, and ingat po, and God bless you all. Bye!